Are you someone with a passion for content who's looking to take your skills to the next level? Maybe you've already heard about the fast-growing world of UX and are curious if this rewarding career path could be for you. We're pretty confident it can be. The Professional Certificate in Content Design by the UXDesignInstitute is a perfect opportunity to develop your skills in content design. Over 10 weeks and 9 modules, you'll learn key techniques and methods, how voice, tone, and style help to create a cohesive product experience, and how to take a user-focused approach to creating content. You'll also learn how to apply research methods to uncover user content needs and map those needs to the user journey. With a combination of lessons and hands-on projects, you'll walk away with the confidence to become the content design champion within your organization. With advice from tutors, expert mentors, and our career advisors, you'll have access to all the tools you need to get started as a content designer. And you can prove your skills to employers with a university credit-rated certification. Join our Professional Certificate in Content Design today and start your career in content design. See you there.